In this tutorial, I will show you how to add renewable electricity to your cave base without the use of generators. It is possible to get an electricity cable from a base on the surface to the right hand side of the cave. The cave we're using is the spiked cave. To do this, we will start by building a simple base. It can be any design you want, as we're not going to be storing any loot in it, just batteries. This base complements my triple bunker cave base design, which uses the left hand side of this cave. You can find a link to that video in the description below. The only requirement for this base to work is that you place a root combiner at this height at the back of the cave. We are then going to use this root combiner to determine the location of the base on the surface, which will house the solar panels or wind turbines. Take one of the inputs to the root combiner all the way to the surface. Make sure to keep the wire tool in your hand at all times. Once at the surface, go slightly to the left of the cave entrance until you have enough cable to place it down. Once you are sure that you are directly above the root combiner in the cave, build a small base to house the required components. Once the base is built, place a root combiner in the corner closest to the cave entrance. You can then connect the two bases together. Take the output of the root combiner and then go all the way back down into the cave. Connect it to the root combiner we placed earlier. As you can see, there is just enough cable to connect the two devices together. Once you have a source of electricity into the cave, you can place as many batteries as you need, and they will charge from the supply generated by the base above. Here you can see me placing down the solar panels on the surface base to charge the batteries located down in the cave. You can take the supply over from the right hand side of the cave into the left hand side where your main base will be. This allows you to set up lights, turrets, heaters and any circuit you wish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you want to build a great cave base, then check out my video on the triple bunkered cave base from the link below.